Please stop buying this pre-made crap. It's time to make our own taco seasoning. Something to be proud of right here. Fast and easy. Here we go. Get a bunch of chili powder. Can I do this the other way? Trying a different angle since I'm left-handed. Okay. With the chili powder. Now, I do my ingredients kind of willy-nilly, but I know that with chili powder, there's about 4 times as much than the rest. Some cumin. Garlic powder. Garlic salt. A little bit, just use it all, whatever. All done. The way I do it is when I'm out of spices, I put it back upside down so I can add it to my shopping list. Onion powder. Paprika. Some red pepper flakes. And last, seasoned salt. I want to leave a little bit of space in the top just to shake it. Look how cool that looks. There it is. Homemade taco seasoning ready to go. Now, I purposely left out the cayenne pepper and the salt so that you can adjust accordingly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll continue doing this. Bye-bye.